Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Audi A3. Stock number is A7829. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Continental tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around the back end. You have dual point exhaust on the back. Taking a look in the trunk. There are splits on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you do need additional storage room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise and audio controls. Full stereo. You have dual climate control and dual heated seats. Automatic transmission, and your touchscreen has navigation as well. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Audi on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.